Alrighty. Marshals look alive. Drivers, less than 5. And they're off. Good start. Hero Semi-Truck A main breakout. So it's not about how fast you are, but it's how close to being the fastest you are. Right now we got Michael Norton out in front, followed swiftly by Brandon Harrison. Fast lap was a 16.032 from Michael Norton that lap. Brandon turned in 16.433 that lap. Ooh. Michael playing it real safe. 16.6s out of both of those two drivers. Oh, Brandon getting caught up. But he can hammer it now, knowing how close he was to Michael. Keeping that gap close.
4 minutes
Gotta
left.
Get him before he gets to that line. (18-1) that lap. Anthony Wheeler getting into the 16s. 3:43 left to go. Closest race on the track is between 5th. Oh, and Michael Norton breaks out. Followed by Brandon Harris, putting Dustin Tunstall out in front. He's celebrating already. Anthony Wheeler now taking over that top spot. Followed by Scott. Michael Norton finding his way back up there, and Brandon. And then Dustin finding his way back at the 5th. So you got Scott out in front now.
3 minutes left.
Ooh, penalty box for someone. Closest race on the track. Michael now getting back up to the front. And this time he plans on staying there. Came back from breaking out back to the front. 17-1 out of him that lap, but he is not going to break out again, I guarantee it. Just past the halfway mark with 2:20 left to go. We got Michael, Scott, Anthony, Brandon, Dustin, Kylie, and Warren. Closest race between the top 4, separated by 6 seconds. Top 3 are separated by 3 seconds, though. And I don't know who broke out. I'm waiting for it. Yeah, it didn't line up. Oh, Anthony with his fast lap of a 16.270. 17.5. Get your cars, get them through tech. 17.5 through tech. Scott Pierce breaking out. It's going to shake things up for the best of the rest. See what happens coming around for Brandon. Scott still gets to keep his
1 minute left.
His 3rd spot, but 1 second back is Brandon. Scott in that black semi. Brandon in the green. It didn't light up. I'm waiting. I think it was Brandon. He dropped back. Yeah, Brandon broke out. So right now it's Michael, Anthony, Scott, Dustin, Brandon, Kylie, Warren. $20 seconds left to go. 4 seconds the gap between Anthony and Michael. Looks like they're going to go around for Brandon breaks out again. Looks like they're going to go around for one more lap. 5 seconds left remaining. And waiting for the tone, Michael is.
Michael Norton done. Brandon Harrison done.
And waiting for everyone to cross the
Anthony
line.
Wheeler done. Enos Hooker done.
Hopefully no one breaks out on the final lap.
Kylie Wheeler done. Warren
Waiting
Hall
on
done.
Dustin. Michael
Dustin
Norton
Tunstall
takes the win
All
in
drivers are
Euro
finished.
Truck Breakout A Main. Followed by Anthony Wheeler and Scott Pierce.